might just throw the drum on the cake with a tape on. All these Glocks got switch on, blicky with a dick on. They gon' do it off the face.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy PapiDaGunGuy, and we back with another video. Today we about to do some transition drills from my AR to the pistol, and we gonna time it. Let's get started.
PVNOS. Nice.
460. That was alright. Let's try it a couple more times. .386, not bad. Let's try one more time.
He was slinging that bitch the first couple times.
Try it again. .355, not bad. How we gonna do? We're gonna do some kind of drill behind cover. Here, get behind cover, bang, bang. I'm gonna come over here, bang while moving. Now I'm gonna pull my pistol out, 2 shots. See how fast I can do that shit. .1041. Try that a couple more times. I think I missed one. .1040. Try that one more time. .1012. I'm about to do that again a couple times, but I'm about to get it on the POV. .1063. .1089. Let's try it again. .1106. Not too bad, not too bad. We just training, trying to get better, like I always say. Alright, YouTube, that's all I got for you guys today. Just a little quick little drill. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. PapiDaGunGuy out.